Philharmonic here on 99.5 WCRB. It's the music that adds that spark, that to your day. And it comes your way thanks to listener support. This is the WCRB Spring Memory Sunday. Your gift now helps ensure the music every time you need that little pick-me. ClassicalWCRB.org or call 888-995-9272. I'm Tyler Alderson and alongside Nate Butler. By giving $10 per month, you pick up the Eton Radio as our way saying thank you. This is a very special $10 to receive on these. If you also would like family member because you can get it for your contribution of just $10 per month. So sign up as a station member or give $120 all at once and ask for the Eton Emergency Radio. You know, I was looking ahead at the weather, and it is going to start warming up, ramping up, and the heat. And the Eton Radio is your way to take WCRB with you no matter where. The beach, you're boating, you're up in the mountains camping, you'll have the music you love, and you'll be able to get weather updates great stuff to have when you're out and about. Once and ask for that Eton Emergency Radio, 888-995-9272.
Damn it.
Give at classicalwcrb.org.
And we have a goal. It's going well. We need just 7 more contributions to stay on track. Just $10 or $15 a month to stay behind is all it takes to do your part. Help pay for your WCRB. 995-9272 or give online at classical. Oh, I'm getting an update right now. We're now. Again, 995-9272. You make your contribution online at classicalwcrb.org.
A member of WCRB makes you part of a larger cause. When you support WCRB, you make a statement that goes beyond one person's love of classical music. You are joining a large